and today I'm going to be showing you guys my rice water update situation. Why can't I just form proper sentences? Guys, can you help me form proper sentences? Hey guys, welcome back to cheaplazynaturals. My name is Sherilyn and today I will be sharing with you how rice water has been working for my hair. So if you've been following my journey, or if you've been on a journey of your own with rice water, you've been using rice water, it's not working, sometimes it works, and you want to see how it's been working for me, so stay tuned for that, guys. I'm going to be giving you guys the tea. Okay, so I'm going to be describing my rice water journey, which is 5 months in total in 4 different phases. I know, I'm being extra, but bear with me here. So the first part of my rice water journey was basically me trying it out once. I was shook by how well it worked. I was just like, what? My hair was shiny, there was volume. I was like, sis, where has this been my whole life? So I'm high porosity, and I think your girl had protein underload. Okay, underload. I had a lack of protein. That sounds, yeah, that's a better word to use. Wow. So the first part of my rice water journey was basically the initial start, the hype. It was exciting. Yeah. Your girl was shook. I tried rice water once. It did the things. Let me tell you this. It did the things. My hair was shiny. It had life, and I really believe my hair had a lack of protein up to that point. I'm high porosity. My hair struggles with keeping moisture. Yada. My strands are brittle. So like what rice water did, it was like this knight sent from heaven, sent to come and save my strands. I'm being extra, but guys, that's really how it felt. Like I was just so shook. So what I proceeded to do was to use rice water every single day. I was like, if this is this good, I am using it every single day. So I started using it every single day. I put my hair up in mini twists and I used it like spritz my rice water. Usually keep it in this bottle here. This looks like a weird concoction of tea, but this is my rice water. So pretty much I'd apply that, and then I would apply a leave-in conditioner or some cream or some moisture situation, because I knew the first thing I learned about rice water is that it's a protein treatment. It makes your hair brittle, which makes it stiff and very prone to breakage. So your girl had to go in with proper moisture after applying my rice water. So that's pretty much how I did that first part. That lasted for about 3 weeks, I believe. And then when I took down my twists, I was like, there is no way I am wetting my hair every single day. That's just too much work. I mean, yes, rice water is amazing, but no is the answer. I am just too lazy for that. If I'm not in twists or braids or whatever, I'm not gonna moisturize my hair every day. Anyway, so then now we're gonna go into the second phase of my rice water challenge, which was pretty much me doing it on not every second day. That's also so too much. 2 to 3 times a week. So that's pretty much what I did. I think I did that for another 2 to 3 weeks, and then after that I started reading on the internet how rice water can cause protein overload, and I was just like, hold up, what if I just go from being, protein underload, making up words here, to protein overload? So I was really not about to put my head through that. So what I did is that I was like, hold up, and I kind of just went off rice water for some time. And that probably lasted another few weeks, but your girl was still doing research during this time. And then what I did is that I introduced it back, and the things that I changed was that I diluted it a lot with a lot of water, with a lot of aloe vera juice. I'm gonna link in the cards and in the description a few of the methods. How many videos do we have of this rice water? Jojo has a few of how she makes the rice water. I also have my rice deep conditioner, but I'm gonna link those videos to this video so that you can see how I create my rice water. So what I did is that I diluted that rice water even more, and then I only applied it on a weekly basis. So I only did it on wash day. So that really helped. It's not like I had protein overload, but I wasn't about to have protein overload to learn that I don't want protein overload. So yeah, that was phase 3. And then the last phase is now what I'm in basically, which is I just pretty much do it on a weekly basis. That has been my constant routine. Now it's basically I just slid it into my wash day. Rice water is now part of my wash day. I do a rinse after shampooing. So that's pretty much what's been working for me at the moment. Yeah, so that's pretty much how the 5 weeks went. So on a side note, you guys know that I do have a few different things that I have with rice water. I have my rice water deep conditioner video, which is the most popular video we have at the moment. I guess it's just because it's a nice way to use rice water without getting that super strengthening properties of rice water on your hair and experiencing it, because what it does is that you mix it with conditioners and other very moisturizing ingredients, and in the end it's pretty much like a high protein deep conditioner. That's what it ends up being. So I found that to be very awesome. I've used it a few times. For some reason that didn't stick, basically because I was just so lazy to remake that conditioner every single time. You know, the first time I made it, there were like little rice particles in there, and washing it out was a whole mission. So that's just a tip for me. Make sure you blend it well and use a high-speed blender for it. And then I use it in my leave-in spritzer, like I said here. So this is what I used on Sunday. This is I don't even know when I'm gonna release this video. This is what I used on my previous wash day. Pretty much spritz this onto my hair right after I shampoo, and then I went in with my deep conditioner. So that's pretty much what I do. I don't like towel. What is this? Towel down. Is that a thing? Towel down. Is that a thing? I don't use a towel or a t-shirt to after I shampoo. I pretty much just put my rice water, and then on top of the rice water I apply my deep conditioner. So I find that this is the best way to do it, because you're getting both strengthening and moisturizing at the same time. So I do let the rice water sit for about not even 5 minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes maximum, and then I put my DC and we're good to go. So currently that is what I am doing. I've recommended rice water to a bunch of people. Everybody at my house pretty much uses rice water now. It's chilling in the fridge. Let me actually show you the concoction, what it looks like. Wow, is this camera even? But I'm sure you can see it. So yeah, so what I do here is that I have multiple things. So my rice water is very much like a rice water and steroids kind of situation. It has tea. I put tea in there because I know that tea is good to avoid shedding. I put some fenugreek seeds. I've also added in some neem powder. So I've been, obviously your girl's trying to like get into the Ayurvedic herb situation train. I'm trying to get into that train. Well, I'm kind of on the train, but it's been hard finding Ayurvedic herbs in Namibia. Struggles. If you want to send your girl a packet with Ayurvedic herbs, I'm here for it. Honestly, it's so annoying to be here. Still looking for henna. Can't find it. Only way I can is to buy it per kg. Like, what is that? Anyway, so that's what my super rice water mix has been like. So in terms of the benefits that I have gotten and an update, I have really loved every moment of this rice water journey. It's worked so well for me. One thing that I've always struggled with is that my hair color seems to always change. It's like if I'm in the sun too long, it becomes, I don't know, like this sand brown slash blonde at the tips. It's just weird, like it's not okay. So what rice water has done is that it brings life, volume and color to my hair. Hashtag life, volume, color. So that's what I've really been enjoying. I'm enjoying like just the way my hair feels. It feels stronger for sure. Like I said, I have thin, kind of brittle strands. So, and I think personally for me, what rice water has done more than anything is that it strengthened my strands, aka giving me more volume, if that makes sense. So my hair is not shedding as much, it's not breaking as much. In terms of length, I think the length has not been like, oh my gosh, it's just my hair is growing because it's being taken care of, kind of growth, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So this is where my hair is. the moment. I've done this with another roller set video when I measured it this way. So what I'll do is I'll just try and insert a clip from there just for comparison. So it's like almost chin here in the front. See what's happening in the back. And my hair at the back is shorter. Wow, okay. So collarbone. So we're at collarbone. Collarbone, collarbone. That's not even a song. Yeah. So yeah, we're definitely at collarbone. So that is my update on rice water. Have you been trying rice water? I know that there's a bunch of people, they hate it, they're like, why would you do it? Or they tried it and it completely worked, like was crap for them. And I get that our hair is all different, and sometimes it's the technique that we use to apply it, sometimes it's how we make it, sometimes it's just how we apply it, because if you're high porosity and low porosity, there's no way we can apply rice water the same, because rice water is a protein treatment. So if you're low porosity, you should definitely not follow the exact same steps that I use for my high porosity hair that actually needs a lot of protein, because your low porosity hair does not need a lot of protein. But Jojo has also tried rice water, so we will I'll link a card somewhere here of how she applies her rice water and how she makes her rice water. Okay, I hope this was informative, and let us know in the comments below if rice water has been working for you. If it has not been working for you, we would also like to hear from you. Wow. What was that voice? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified, so that YouTube tells you that, you know, we're here, we have a video. Yeah, so guys, remember to comment some cool stuff that you add to your rice water. I would like to add more things, because apparently the 10,000 things I already add to my rice water is not enough. I just want my rice water to be like this magic potion that gives you long and healthy hair. No, I don't even need long hair. It gives you healthy hair, gives you edges. Oh, I forgot to give you guys, like, why are my edges, like, I swear my edges on vacation. Like, what is this? And it's so weird because here we have a whole strand for, and here, look at this. What are we saying is happening? It's like literally these two parts right here, they're like struggling and going through them all. So your girl's trying to wear these fro vibes, not just to hide the edges, but just so the edges can take a break. So please give me some tips on what you do to maintain your edges. I know I have Jamaican black castor oil. Got it like a week ago. So I'll be applying that. I'll still apply the rice water. Please give me a few tips on how to revive and strengthen. I mean, my edges are there, granted. It's not like I don't have edges. I just want them to be stronger and longer and fuller and happier in life. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. We love you. We appreciate that you come here and you watch this video. Even if it's just 2 minutes, we're still here for it. Till next time, bye.